Robomow has been making robotic mowers for more than 20 years. We actually grew up with our customers. We understand their needs, what they're looking for, what makes them happy, and what makes them fall in love.
In the last couple of years, we've been working on something new, our smallest robotic mower yet.
Introducing the brand new Robomow RX20, the most compact, precise, easy to use, and clever robot we've ever made.
The RX20 is quick and simple to install and operate. It also provides real-time mowing status and history updates directly to any smart device.
And when it comes to mobility, you'll find this model hard to beat. It overcomes obstacles, avoids predetermined areas, has narrow pass capabilities, and even handles slopes.
The RX20 is all about mechanical efficiency and self-compensation. We avoided the regular caster wheel configuration and instead invented a unique glider surface to maximize on maneuverability. Its floating deck feature is also unique in such a small robotic mower, providing an extraordinarily even cut.
The RX20 is also equipped with super strong blade for flawless cutting and edging. It even comes with its very own anti-theft protection system.
The RX20 is a little mower with big features. Perfect for all lawns up to 200 square meters, the RX20 is our smallest, most compact, most affordable mower yet.